Good morning, students. Today I will discuss about the construction of a right angle triangle with hypotenuse and one side given, that is RHS triangle construction. Right, hypotenuse and sides triangle construction. Worksheet 4, page 200. Question 1. Draw a right triangle with hypotenuse of length 5 cm and one side of length 4 cm. First of all, draw a line, then cut it a line segment QR equal to 4 cm. Draw angle QRQP equal to 90 degree with the help of compass and ruler. With R as a center and RP as a radius, draw an arc. They intersect QP at the point P. Join PR and PQ. So therefore PQR is the required triangle. You know that the sides opposite to 90 degrees is called hypotenuse. If you construct the right correct figure, then the length of PQ equal to 3 centimeter. If you measure PQ, the length of line segment PQ equal to 3 centimeter by the Pythagoras theorem. Question number 3. Construct a right triangle ABC in which AB equal to 5.8 centimeter, BC equal to 4.5 centimeter and angle C equal to 90 degree. Here angle C 90 degree, so sides opposite to angle C is AB. AB is the hypotenuse is given and one side is also given. So first of all, draw a line, then cut it the line segment BC equal to 4.5 centimeter. Draw angle BCA equal to 90 degree with the help of compass and ruler, and with B as a center and BA equal to 5.8 centimeter, draw an arc. They intersect AC at a point A. Join AB and AC. ABC is the required triangle. Now question number 4. Construct right triangle having hypotenuse of length 5.4 centimeter and one of the acute angles of measure 30 degree. Here you have given that hypotenuse and one acute angle is 30 degree. First of all, draw a line, then cut it a line segment BC, which is the length of the hypotenuse, that is 5.4 centimeter. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of the line segment BC. With B as a center, draw an arc which is greater than the half of BC. Draw an arc above the line segment BC and below the line segment BC. Similarly, with C as a center, draw an arc which is intersect the previous arc at a point P and Q. Join P and Q. They intersect BC at O. That means O is the midpoint of the line segment BC. With O as a center and OB as a radius, draw a semicircle BAC. Now with B as a center, draw an angle CBA equal to 30 degree with the help of ruler and compass. They intersect the semicircle at point A. Join AB and AC. ABC is the required triangle. Because you know that angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. So angle A is 90 degree and sides opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse, that is BC equal to 5.4 centimeter and angle CBA equal to 30 degree. This is your required triangle. Now another method for this construction. Draw a line segment uh, BC. Draw a line segment. um, First of all, draw a line, take a point B and draw the angle CBA equal to 30 degree with B as a center and BA equal to 5.4 centimeter, which is the length of the hypotenuse. Now with A as a center, draw AC perpendicular to BC. Draw AC perpendicular to BC. ABC is the required triangle. Now question number 5. Question number 5. Construct a right triangle whose two sides containing the right angles measure 9 centimeter and 12 centimeter. You have given that the two sides which is made up a 90 degree angles. So first of all, draw a line segment BC equal to 12 centimeter. Now draw the angle CBA equal to 90 degree with the help of compass and ruler. Now with B as a center and BA equal to 9 centimeter, cut it and join AC. ABC is the required triangle. Now brain teaser. Question number 1A. A closed figure in a plane having three sides and three angles is known as. A closed figure in a plane having three sides and three angles is known as triangle. Question B. 1B. What are the possible dimensions for constructing a triangle of perimeter of 5 meter? In this question, you use this formula. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Here, B 1, 2, 3, 4. The perimeter of the triangle is 5 meter. But look at here, in B1, 1 meter plus sum of two small sides, 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 is less than the 2 meter is less than the 3 meter, that is the less than the third side. So triangle is not possible. Now question B2, 1 meter plus 1 meter, sum of two sides equal to 1 meter plus 1 meter, that is 3 meter. 3 meter is greater than 2 meter. Yani sum of two sides is greater than the third side. So the triangle, construction of triangle is possible. So your answer is 2 is correct. Now B. Answer the following questions. How many independent components are required to construct a triangle? 3. For constructing a triangle, 3 independent components are required. You know that a triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles are called 3 parts or 3 elements or 3 components. So for constructing a triangle, you have given that 3 independent components. Question B. Mr. Ajay wants to construct a triangular kitchen garden whose perimeter is 42 meter. Is it possible to construct a triangle with dimension 20 meter, 12 meter and 10 meter? So look here, sum of two smallest sides equal to 12 meter plus 10 meter, that is 22 meter. So sum of 22 meter is greater than 20 meter. That means the sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So constructing a triangle is possible. Sum of two smallest side of a triangle is greater than the third side, so we can construct such type of triangle. Now question number C. Rohan was asked to construct a triangle. Given dimensions 20 centimeter, 13 centimeter, 7 centimeter, but he was unable to construct. Give reason. Here sum of two smallest side equal to 13 centimeter plus 7 centimeter, that is 20 centimeter, and 20 centimeter equal to the length of the third side. In this case the sum of two sides is equal to the length of third side, so we cannot construct such type of a triangle, because the sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. But in this case the sum of two sides equal to the length of the third side, so we cannot construct such type of a triangle. Now question D. How will you proceed to construct a triangle whose two angles and one side, not the included side, is given? That means you have given that two angles and any one sides, not included sides, are given. So how can construct such type of triangle? So in this case, first of all we find the measurement of the third angle. Third angle equal to, we know that the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So 180 degree minus sum of two angles. This is the process for constructing the triangles. Now question number E. How many equilateral triangles are needed to make a regular hexagon? Regular hexagon. Here construction is given. First of all, draw any circle, then intersects the circumference in 6 equal parts, that is A, B, C, D, E, F. That means the arc, length of arc AB equal to length of arc BC equal to length of arc CD equal to length of arc DE equal to length of arc EF equal to length of arc FA. Join AB, BC, CD, DE, EF, FA. Join AD, BE, CF. You will get 6 equilateral triangles. So 6 equilateral triangles are needed to make a regular pentagon. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hexagon.